Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tools. And to this video, I'll show you on how to master or how you can use crop tools in CorelDraw. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do, like for instance, this particular image in my Corel workspace right here, I want to crop this image. How do you crop? First thing first, go ahead and navigate to your toolbar right here. Then from toolbar right here, you can click on Bold Scan. Then under the crop tool, you have so many other tools right here. But in this tutorial, what we want to do here is to go ahead and select crop. So having clicked on crop, then you need to go ahead and then apply the tool in the object. So what you want to do is to select the area that you would like to crop. Like for instance, I want to crop off like this. Then you can adjust. Everything depends on the area you want to keep. So whatever area you want to keep is going to be highlighted this way. So the area you want to crop is going to be outside of this particular shape right here. So you can adjust all the area that you want to keep and leave the rest out of it. So once you are done with every area you need, just press Enter key on your keyboard. In a few seconds, it's going to be crop off. It's that simple. So you can go on and use this particular crop tools to crop anything. Whether you want to crop shapes, image, or text, you are good to go with crop tools. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use some CorelDraw tools, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.